This heavy-duty 1224V jump starter comes with many features including jump-starting 12V and 24V batteries, power bank function to power equipment, LCD function screen, safety protections, SOS strobe light. A flat battery can happen to anyone, either the battery is older than 4 years old, that hasn't been started for a while, or your car light have been left on for a while. When the voltage drop below 11V, you won't be able to restart your car. Easy to connect. Fist connect the negative then the positive and position the jump starter that it stay stable. Comes with charger, USB cord, manual. Other applications include powering trucks, boat, earth-moving excavator, cranes or equipment like compressors, fridge.